Homework. Prove that cos inverse 4 upon 5 plus cos inverse 12 upon 13 is equals to cos inverse 33 divided by 65. Theta is equals to cos inverse 4 upon 5 and phi is equals to cos inverse 12 upon 13. Then find sin theta, cos, sin theta, sin phi by using fundamental formulae of trigonometry, and then use cos theta plus phi formula. Next example of inverse trigonometry. Prove that tan inverse 1 upon 4 plus tan inverse 2 upon 9 is equals to tan inverse 1 upon 2. Consider left hand side. Tan inverse 1 by 4 plus tan inverse 2 by 9. Using inverse trigonometric formula, if x and y greater than 0 and x into y less than or equal to 1, then the formula is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equals to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Now to check the value of x and y. X is equals to 1 upon 4, y is equals to 2 upon 9. Both the value are greater than 0. Now to check the product. xy is equals to 1 upon 4 into 2 upon 9 is equals to 2 divided by 36 less than 1. Hence, using above formula, we get tan inverse into bracket x, the value of x 1 by 4 plus the value of y 2 upon 9 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by 4 into 2 upon 9, then is equals to tan inverse into bracket LCM for numerator and denominator is 9 into 4 equal to 36. For the numerator, first term is multiplied by 9 and second term is multiplied by 4 divided by 36 whole divided by 36 minus 2 divided by 36. 36 get cancelled. Then the remaining value is tan inverse into bracket 17 divided by 34 is equals to tan inverse 17 to the 34, so 1 upon 2. Hence proved. RHS. One of the property of inverse trigonometry is tan inverse x is equals to cot inverse 1 upon x. Depending upon it, we will see one example. Prove that tan inverse 1 upon 7 plus tan inverse 1 upon 13 is equals to cot inverse 9 upon 2. LHS. Tan inverse 1 upon 7 plus tan inverse 1 upon 13. The value of x is equals to 1 upon 7 and y is equals to 1 upon 13. Both the values are greater than 1 and the product xy is equals to 1 upon 17 into 1 upon 13 is 1 upon 91 less than 1. Therefore, using formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equals to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Then is equals to tan inverse into bracket 1 upon 7 plus 1 upon 13 whole divided by 1 minus 1 upon 7 into 1 upon 13 is equals to tan inverse 13 plus 7 divided by 91 divided by 91 minus 1 divided by 91. 91 get cancelled. Tan inverse 13 plus 7 20 divided by 90. 0 get cancelled. Then is equals to tan inverse 2 upon 9. According to the property of inverse trigonometry, tan inverse x is equals to cot inverse 1 upon x. Therefore, we get cot inverse 9 upon 2 is equals to RHS. Next example, prove that sec inverse 5 upon 4 plus tan inverse 3 upon 5 is equals to tan inverse 27 divided by 11. First, convert sec inverse 5 upon 4 into tan inverse. Therefore, consider theta is equals to sec inverse 5 upon 4. Transfer sec inverse on left side. Sec theta is equals to 5 upon 4. Then, using formula tan inverse tan theta, tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. Tan square theta is equals to sec square theta minus 1. We know the value of sec theta. Sec theta is 5 upon 4. 5 upon 4 bracket square minus 1 is equals to 25 divided by 16 minus 1 is equals to 9 upon 16. Taking square root on both sides, tan theta is equals to 3 upon 4. Then theta is equals to tan inverse 3 upon 4. Instead of sec inverse 5 upon 4, put tan inverse 3 upon 4. Then the example is tan inverse 3 upon 4 plus tan inverse 3 upon 5 is equals to tan inverse 27 upon 11. Then using LHS is equals to tan inverse 3 upon 4 plus tan inverse 3 upon 5 is equals to tan inverse into bracket 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 5 divided by 1 minus 3 upon 4 into 3 upon 5. Here the value of x and y both less than 1 and the product of xy is 3 upon 4 into 3 upon 5, 9 divided by 20, less than 1. Then using formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equals to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy is equals to tan inverse LCM 20. So first term of the numerator is multiplied by 5 plus second term is multiplied by 4 divided by 20 whole divided by 20 minus 9 divided by 20. 20 get cancelled is equals to tan inverse into bracket 27 divided by 11 is equals to RHS. Work on inverse trigonometry. Prove that tan inverse 1 upon 11 plus cot inverse 6 upon 5 is equals to sec inverse root 2.